Hi guys, we're at my house right now, and yeah. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. I kind of need your help or something, because I need to pass my friend Ray Ray in subscribers. And right now, she only needs 3 more subscribers to have the same number as me. And if she keeps posting more freaking videos, she is going to have more than me. So I need y'all's help to get more subscribers. I'm not begging for subscribers, but if you want to subscribe, you can. Because I need to beat her in subscribers. It is my job. It is my one and only job next to school. Like my second and only job. How do I even say it? My second and my only second job to pass her in subscribers. Because if she has more subscribers than me, then my life is literally going to be over. So I need y'all to subscribe, please. Pretty please. Please. I just need to have more subscribers than her. And also, I'll pause the video for a second. And I gotta wait 121 days and just be clear, I said 121 days. If you're not hearing me the first time. 121 days until my freaking birthday. So, yeah. So can y'all subscribe, please? And yeah. I mean, that's not all I recorded this video for. Just to ask you to please subscribe so I can be hearing subscribers. But yeah. But I gotta go downstairs to tell y'all something. Mostly to show y'all something, but yeah. So yeah. I don't know if anyone from my school watches live videos, but yeah. Anyways, yesterday, was it yesterday? Yeah, yesterday. For a second, I thought that today was Saturday. For a second, but I remembered it was Friday. Yesterday, we had this assembly. I mean, I'm gonna bring the book. So we had this essay. We got the book in January. My name is Tanny, and I believe in miracles. Looks crusty. But anyways, yeah. My name is Tanny, and I believe in miracles. The amazing true story of one boy's journey from refugee to chess champion. Yeah. So at the assembly, there were 200 kids, from 3rd to 5th grade in there. Yeah, it was 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade in there. And as I already said, there was 200 kids, and I was in 3rd place because I actually turned in an essay. I was in 3rd place. My classmate Brian was in 2nd place, and this girl named Tolu was in 1st place. So, 3rd grade was first to get awards, and I know I'm just skipping grades right now, but there are 19. I even counted, and there was 19, freaking 19 5th graders. That won a prize, and 5th grade even turned in the most essays. Bruh. So did nobody else feel the need to submit the essay? Besides, this much of 3rd grade, this much of 4th grade. Bruh. I have to put the phone down for this. I'm pretty sure that fifth grade brought in like this much essays. Like, but they brought in like so many essays, I think. I'm not for sure, but like I just think so. Anyways, back to what I was telling y'all before. So, I was writing, so blah blah blah. I got third place, blah blah blah, and I got a trophy that is somewhere, and I don't know where it is. Yeah, so I'll show y'all in another video. But anyways, yeah, and I got this. I think I might use it for my math notebook, like not for fourth grade, like because like I have ripped out so many pages of there's so many pages of paper for my math notebook that that it is almost finished. Like I'm almost about to finish that thing. There's like only like a few more pages until I'm done with it. Like bruh. So I'm honestly just glad I actually want a notebook because now I don't have to ask my mom to buy me one. Anyways, yeah. Oh. And I got a certificate or whatever. And, okay, I gotta look for the bag. Where the heck is the bag? Come on, bag. Oh my goodness. If you're wondering what just happened, I just freaking pushed my school computer down on the floor. If it's okay. Okay, it's not that. Just kidding, guys. That was there since Alright, so yeah. Anyway, back to the thing I was actually telling y'all about. So, anyways, before I get sidetracked again, I'm just gonna finish the entire story, then tell y'all about something else. Okay. So, as I already said, I was on that blah blah blah. So, before I knocked down my computer, I was trying to look for the gift I got for getting third place. Wait, I gotta pause the video for a second. Okay, y'all, I found the blue bag. And I'm gonna like put the phone. No, yeah, this is the gift. It's really small. But yeah. So I'm gonna type what I got and then what I got. So Tolu. So I'm gonna start with Tolu. So Tolu and this other fourth grader got Apple iPads. Yeah, Apple iPads. Yeah. And Brian and this other fourth grader got Amazon iPads. And he said that only Apple has iPads and everything else is tablets. But that does not mean I'm gonna stop calling tablets iPads because they sound the same to me. So, I mean, the two words don't sound the same, but like they're used for the same purpose. They're the same shape. I mean, you can't really do the same thing on them, but like they're technically the same thing, except one is from Apple and one isn't. Like so. And me, him, and another fourth grader got it. In fact, I even have the same iPad they won. I'm gonna go show you guys upstairs. Oh my gosh, bro. Now my leg is hurting from all this running up and down. Okay, so yeah, on the same iPad that they won. Yeah, I'm gonna go show you guys the box. Oh my gosh. Running up the stairs, downstairs, up the stairs, downstairs. It's tiring me out. Now my leg is hurting. Oh my goodness, bro. And yes, we still got the box for some reason. Yeah, here's the iPad that they want. Fire HD 10 with Alexa. Yeah. And mine is currently dead because I have not charged it. But okay, now time to finally show y'all the gift of me and another fourth grader got. So me and another fourth grader got dun, 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 Robux gift cards. Okay, Robux gift cards. You're not gonna have 4,500 Robux. And my mom helped me scratch it. So yeah. I do not know why I just told y'all the code, because now y'all can just enter it as your own. So yeah, she scratched it. I don't know why I don't know, but y'all can use it anyways. Can you? Nah, no, I don't really think so. Anyways, so that's what happened yesterday. So bye. See you tomorrow. And I might make another video tomorrow. Maybe. I don't know. Anyways, bye.